Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nftfn token. Now this is a brand new token that's in the midst of their pre-sale right now, and we're going to go over the information on the Nftfn token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I just saw this token advertised. There's been a couple news articles on crypto sites about this pre-sale. If you go to their webpage, nftfn.xyz, the pre-sale has started. It is only in stage 1. This is a brand new pre-sale. So far, they've raised $1,569.65. So it says 1 Nftfn token equals 2.5 cents right now in phase 1. So how these pre-sales work basically is slowly that the price will go up as the pre-sale continues, and in each phase until the listing price, and then it'll be way more when it fully gets listed. Now, they do have a how to buy section right on their webpage here. Real easy to find that. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project at Nftfn official. Now, they have, you connect your wallet right to the page. It's real easy to see right on their webpage. It says connect wallet. Right beside it says how to buy if you get stuck. But basically, you can buy the token with ETH, USDT, or USDC. You basically put in how much ETH or USDT you want to spend. It'll tell you how much Nftfn tokens you get for that. And then you purchase, and then there'll be a claiming period when the pre-sale is over. Now, it says they do have a full audit report that you could check out by Quill Audits, and they have a PDF of that on their webpage as well that you could check out. Tons of frequently asked questions. They've been featured in tons of different news outlets. They have tons of partners on here. OpenSea is one of them, so obviously there's going to be NFTs involved. Now, there's 18 decimal places on this token. It's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. They have the contract address on their webpage, although it is in pre-sale right now, so you won't be able to get this token off of Uniswap or anything like that because it is not live yet, but it will be. So basically, they have a full white paper that you could review, and they also have a one-pager, it says, as well. Now, on the one-pager, it looks like they just have the main technical information. I was just having a look at that. But the white paper is way longer. It is 22 pages long. So what is this project? Nftfn is an order book-based NFT perpetual decentralized exchange. Traders can go long and short on the NFT market via indexes. And they have roadmap, all that type of stuff on their page here. And so Nftfn's Supernova SNV is our flagship product that tackles these challenges head on. So basically the problems with NFT marketplaces and things like that in the past. So by providing a cost-effective and accessible solution that empowers investors to unlock a full potential of their NFT aspirations. By offering an NFT floor price index, Supernova allows traders to hedge their positions on various blue-chip NFT collections and participate in the market without the burden of managing individual NFTs. Additionally, Supernova, being an NFT index, provides traders a diversified exposure to the NFT marketplace, spreading risk across multiple NFTs and reducing the impact of underperformance or volatility in any single NFT. This innovative solution aims to transcend the limitations of a traditional NFT market, improving liquidity to create a more inclusive and rewarding experience for all participants. Kind of like an ETF spreads risk across a whole bunch of different stocks as opposed to one stock, investing in one stock and being, super risky that way. So they go over the whole, the problems with NFTs and things like that. So Supernova provides traders with low-cost exposure to premium NFTs, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Azuki, Doodles, CloneX, etc., allowing them to hedge their positions on various blue-chip NFT collections without the burden of managing individual NFTs. By offering an NFT floor price perpetual, Supernova not only provides traders with diversified exposure to the market, but also addresses the liquidity issues in the NFT ecosystem. So Nftfn envisions a future where everyone can experience the thriving world of NFTs, not just the privileged few, but Nftfn is committed to democratizing this space and empowering individuals to unlock the full potential of NFT aspirations. Through our first innovative flagship product, Supernova SNV, Nftfn aims to transcend the limitations of traditional NFT markets, offering a more inclusive and rewarding experience for all participants. So if you want to read the white paper will delve deeper into the challenges facing the NFT market, exploring the innovative solutions offered by Supernova, and outline the exciting future for Nftfn and what they envision for everyone. Now, we could go over the tokenomics here. So basically, how the token is split up here, we got 20.3% going to public sale, 15% team, 13% marketing and operational reserve, 13% foundation, looks like 10% product development, 10% ecosystem, 4% private sale, 5% seed, 5% liquidity provisioning, 2.8% angels, and 1.8% advisors. So besides that, they do have a roadmap that you can find as well. If we could scroll through this giant paper here, maybe we could find it. They have all sorts of formulas all over their page here. They give you step-by-step on how to use the platform, and all that type of stuff is available on here. Maybe the roadmap's just available on their webpage. Frequently asked questions. I know they have a roadmap somewhere. I swear I saw one. There it is, right there. Okay. So they're trying to raise a whole bunch of money, obviously. And then launching V1 NFT Index Perp on Polygon testnet in March. So that should be soon. And then mainnet launch, token launch, ordinals launch, individual NFT perp launch of Bored Ape Yacht Club. And then we got NFT projects on Bitcoin, Solana, Matic, Telegram, Bot, cross-trading, crypto perp launch, RWA perp launch, AI-driven support, licensing, CME or CBOE listing, and discussion with banks and other products. Anyways, go check this all out. Nftfn.xyz. Twitter's in the corner, so you guys can easily find this project. Let me know what you guys think about this token down there in the comment section. Do you guys think that this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.